Hey everyone, Nick here with the Best Buy blog. You just heard the AC-20, an acoustic instrument amplifier by Joyo. This amplifier has two speakers, two 5-inch speakers that are 10 watts each, thus the 20 in AC-20. It has two channels, an acoustic instrument channel that has a 3-band EQ, and there's also a microphone channel for a vocal mic, for example, and that one has a volume and a reverb control. There's also an effects section. We have some chorus, delay, and reverb on this unit, and they're all independent, which is quite interesting. The first sound sample you heard, I was using chorus and delay, but now let's hear some guitar strumming without any sort of effects. If you play an acoustic instrument, or maybe you're a singer-songwriter that sings and plays an acoustic instrument at the same time, the AC-20 is a great practice tool, and you can even use it for live performance. It has enough volume to cover a decent-sized room. There's also two independent channels. That means that you can really balance your vocals to your acoustic instrument. There's also an auxiliary in jack, so you can use your telephone, for example, to play backing tracks while you play. I would have loved to see a battery compartment to power this amplifier with batteries, but unfortunately it's not the case. There's still an adapter included in the box to plug it in the wall. Last but not least, the effects section, while it's there, it's present, the effects are mixed really loudly, even at minimal settings. For me, that's a slight turn-off. I think I'd prefer to use outboard gear for effects in this case, but they can still come in handy, and thankfully they're there, and that's a good thing. If you want more information on the Joyo AC-20, please go read my full review on Best Buy's blog. My name is Nick. Thank you so much for watching.